WRH, work and rest hours. Working on ships isn't one of the easiest jobs in the world. It is a challenging profession that needs energy and focus at all times. Long work hours and short rest periods will cause fatigue, which can result in a progressive decline of performance, loss of energy, and even slow movements and reactions that could increase the risk for accidents. Spectral Technologies Incorporated created a solution to monitor crew compliance with STCW and ILO rest hour rules. Our application is called Work and Rest Hours, WRH, and is currently used on board around 900 ships in international trade and is widely seen as a robust and user-friendly solution, which is easy to learn how to use. WRH exports its work and rest hour records automatically to an office-based application called WRH Shore Manager, where companies' managers can view and reproduce crews' work and rest hours reports. When WRH is opened, it will by default show the individual work hour section used to enter work hours. These are either entered by the crew member himself, the supervisor, or the administrator, who typically would be a senior officer. A crew member can only see his own rest hour section. A supervisor can see these of the crew under him, like the chief officer would see all the deck crew but nobody else. The administrator, typical the master, would see all records. Work hours are easily entered manually with a mouse, or copied directly from the pre-prepared templates, or using the copy and paste command. WRH will clearly display already, while entered, if a rest hour nonconformance has occurred as a result of the work hours entry, and the NC will be shown in real time the moment it was entered and before the record was saved. Work hours templates are set up by rank and added to a crew when he joins the ship. Using work hours templates simplifies the daily use of the system, as a crew's work hours can be copied straight from the template to his work hour record, instead of being manually entered day by day. There are 10 different work types available, such as watchkeeping and safety work. Crew's work and rest hours can be planned and set up in the schedule section. Several crews can be selected at the same time, and their planning can be done simultaneously as they show up together on the scheduling surface. A completed scheduling will update the actual work hours, and thereby becoming an entry of work time before it actually was done. Scheduled future work hours can still be edited in the actual work hour entry section. A matrix section will provide a summary overview of all crew's work hour, and any crew record with a nonconformance is marked orange color. The user can jump directly from the selected record in the matrix section to the work hour record of that crew. WRH Work and Rest Hours has 10 built-in reports, which include crew records of hours of rest, using the format stipulated by the IMO, and a nonconformance report. All reports can be outputted as RTF, PDF, and XLS files. WRH-SM Work and Rest Hours Shore Manager will greatly assist fleet safety departments to monitor vessels' compliance with STCW and IMO rest hour regimes, as well as provide useful statistics to monitor workload on board ships. WRH-SM imports work hour records from WRH, which are sent from the ships in small and compressed text files. The complete export of crew work hour records from WRH makes it possible to view all work and rest hour records from all ships in Shore Manager. WRH-SM Work and Rest Hours Shore Manager has a file import system that continuously will import WRH export files from the ships. WRH-SM Work and Rest Hours Shore Manager has 5 main screen views, which are: the vessel summary is the default view in SM, and it will give the user a quick overview of average work hours, number of nonconformities, and levels of safety work on each ship. Other views include a crew summary screen, a vessel statistics screen, same vessel matrix as in WRH Work and Rest Hours, work hours for all crew on board a selected ship, same individual work hours display as in WRH. The report section has 9 reports and 4 graphs. This video is presented by Spectral Technologies Incorporated. For more information about our maritime ship and fleet management software suites, please visit us at spectralasia.net or click the link below.